Water is the foundation of life and one of the most essential elements for the human body. As water enters the stomach, it helps break down food and supports smooth digestion. Moving into the intestines, water is absorbed into the bloodstream, carrying hydration to every cell. This process improves circulation, supports nutrient transport, and helps maintain body temperature. Proper hydration enhances brain function, keeping neurons active and focused. Muscles remain flexible and energized, while the gut stays balanced and healthy. When consumed in the right amount, water boosts energy, supports vital organs, and keeps the entire body functioning efficiently.